JK halfway. Coming back at you.
Finally, it's the after party. So
Yes.
please, like, subscribe, yeah.
Ring that bell.
Oh boy, man.
How's your week been?
Well, my week. We talked about my week on the Today Show. First of all, so you have to go back and watch the Today Show if you want to hear about my week.
Okay.
Well, but I did pick up another Bored Ape Yacht Club NFT.
What'd you get this time?
We're gonna find out. But also, we're gonna do another hot sauce from another country, right?
Another country, yeah. Let's
Because we're continuing the party from the Today Show.
Yeah, if you remember, we had a hot sauce collection. Yeet. Okay. Another random grab. I'm gonna go to the bottom level.
We had a successful first run on Thailand's mango habanero.
Okay,
Hot
what's
sauce.
this one?
It was hot. It was pretty spicy. Not bad. And what is this? What is this one? What's this? What's this?
All right. Whew. That was a workout. What country did we get? We got China.
China.
Some medium heat
Medium.
sriracha.
Medium heat sriracha. All right.
Oh.
Hit me with some medium heat sriracha.
Are you gonna go on the sausage?
I'm gonna go on the sausage.
Okay.
I believe.
This also looks like another vinegar base.
Yeah, they always are.
No, aged chili pepper.
Okay.
Water.
Okay.
And then distilled vinegar.
Interesting. Is it thicker?
A little bit.
All right. I can down with that. You gonna pork rind?
I'm doing pork
All right,
rind.
I'll go pork rind with you then too.
Okay.
You're also big. All right. You gonna dab me up?
Yep. Just tell me when.
And man, fill it. Oh gosh.
Oh, it is thicker.
Oh boy. This is gonna end in disaster.
Oh, so I think this is thick enough to.
Oh, okay, here we go.
Is that?
All right. Hey, that'll
I don't
do.
know.
A dab will do you.
That will do.
Well, if it's only medium, I don't know.
Whoa.
Okay. Sorry.
That really came out.
Uh-oh. Well, let me get a little bit more then. Let me get a little bit more. See what
I know you can't see it, but I got a full.
You got a boat full, pool full? A pool full.
So.
Alright.
Yeah.
Well. There
Cheers.
we go. Cheers, buddy. Cheers.
Cheers. Definitely flavorful.
Yeah, it's got some flavor. Definitely a medium.
Yeah.
It's like a buffalo sauce.
I was gonna say it would be good on wings. Like,
Yeah.
it's got that.
Oh, it's sriracha.
Wow. It doesn't taste like.
It's like a buffalo sriracha kind of.
Yeah, it doesn't taste like the green cap sriracha.
Green cap sriracha?
Yeah, the.
I believe I've had it.
I don't remember the name.
I think I know what you're talking about.
The mainstream sriracha. I mean, the flavor is there. It's not bad.
Yeah, flavor's not bad.
So what?
Thumbs 3/4 up on that one.
Right about there.
Yeah. I think I got a new one.
Okay. What do we get?
I think I got a new one.
Show the show. Uh-oh. I don't think you have that
I
one.
don't think I got this guy.
Nope, that's a new one.
This is Bored Ape. So small I can't even read it. I can't even see it. I'm blinded. But
Blinded by the light.
yeah, man, this is just your basic.
That's just like a. I felt like that's just 8.
Man, this is just a basic ape right here. He's like
Yeah.
He's got the scruff, and got the droopy eyes.
That's cool though.
Not bad. Not bad. I'll take it. I'll take it.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
All right, it's my Jenga turn. Hit me with the. Do we have to do a whole nother hot seat jingle?
Hot seat?
Maybe we had a hot seat jingle on the Today Show.
That's true.
All right, we're gonna have to sit down for
The hot seat. Something like that.
something like that.
Mark for Reddit.
Yep, mark it. After party. All right. Hit me with a
Okay.
hot seat.
What would I name a band started by all the people in the room?
Well, say that again. What would I name a band started
What
by
would I
the
name a
people in the
band
room?
started by all the people in the
So
room?
us.
Yeah.
So what would I name
What would
a
you name?
band?
What would you name a band of us? Kind of like Tenacious D.
The JK Experience.
Yeah.
I don't know. Something like that. I don't know. Right?
JK and the Starships.
Okay. Yeah, something like that. Why not? Yeah. Whatever. We'll just blast through these because we got a whole box here.
What? I liked it.
What would I like to see happen in my lifetime? Oh, Bitcoin hit $1 million. And I'll see that. So maybe 5 million, maybe 10 million,
Yeah.
maybe 5, maybe whatever.
Yeah, it's like, when do you decide to cash out? Like,
That's true. When it hits $1 million.
yeah, but
No.
then it hits,
Buy low, sell high. Not financial advice.
then it hits 15 million. You're like, I sold out at a million.
Yeah, well, you know.
Whatever works for you. What would I like to see
That's my
happen
turn?
in my life? Yes. I would like to see.
Sorry, I stole your last answer.
I'm gonna go with. I would like to see the Ukraine war end.
Oh gosh, don't get me started.
I feel like it's just gonna be this perpetual thing, and so.
Did you see how they had some sort of accounting error and sent like an extra, however many million it was?
No, it was the other way around. It was an accounting error, and they mysteriously overcalculated the price, so it allowed them to send more stuff because they inflated the price of whatever they had already sent, and so it was like 16 billion, like under. And so they're like, oh, we can send 16 billion more stuff. And it's all still covered.
Mm-hmm.
So it's,
Mm-hmm.
it's whatever.
And then all of a sudden there's a new Titanic. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Implosion.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
And you don't think Bitcoin's going to $1 million? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Descent.
I don't know.
DeFi.
I don't know. I don't know anything. I'm just a dumb ape. That likes hot sauce. Not financial advice.
I love hot sauce too, though.
Did I turn you on to the hot sauce, or did you like the hot sauce before?
Oh, I like hot sauce. I've always liked spicy.
Did I turn you on to the hotter sauce?
More extreme, yes.
Okay.
Like pushing my limits.
We actually don't have any
Yeah.
tonight because you got the whole country sauces here. But
Yeah. So I mean, even the Thai at the, regular show, was it labeled hot, but it wasn't.
After you have that scorpion,
Yeah.
man,
That we just snack on.
It stings you. It stings
Yeah.
you, but it's a good sting.
Oh, it is.
What do I have an excessive amount of? Probably these action figures. Action figures.
Um,
And charisma.
I mean,
Sexy.
let me count the ways. Excessive amount of children.
Well,
Got 400
I wasn't
of
gonna.
those.
I wasn't gonna say that.
Chickens. I got 12 of those.
Okay.
Currently we have 3 dogs.
Man, you go big or go home. Go big or go home, baby.
Right? Yeah. That whole fiasco with the golden doodle.
Mm-hmm. I remember that story.
Yikes.
I have to go back few weeks there.
Yeah. But I would say what I have excess of chickens. I'll go with chickens.
Chickens, huh?
I don't think any one family in a rural neighborhood needs 12 chickens.
All right.
Oh.
Whoa.
But I love them.
You love
Being able to collect the eggs and not have to worry about the eggflation of 2023.
That's good. I like that one.
Is that the Thai one?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. That's good.
Whoa. That packs a good kick.
A little punch. All right.
Whoa. I don't even know what just happened. My turn?
Yep. What excuse would I use to get out of jury duty?
My wife just had jury duty.
Oh yeah, did she?
She tried to get out of it by, saying whatever, but it didn't work.
Oh, she actually had to go in.
You want to know why? Because she works for the county.
Gotcha.
And they don't have to pay people who work for the county or the state or whatever it is.
Oh, because it's a
So that, yeah.
it's a government thing.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
Otherwise, they have to pay us normal working civilians.
Yeah. I mean, it's not a lot. I think it's like
Yeah.
What?
It's not as
22
much
a
as
day
you
or
make.
something?
Yeah, it's ridiculous. Yep.
But so she went through jury selection,
Mm-hmm.
the whole process.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
I'm not exactly sure what came of it, but I think she has to go back still.
Yeah.
Or they're still deciding or something like that.
Have you ever done jury duty?
I had to show up once and it
Is
got
it?
dismissed. I believe it is your turn next. Yep, and that was it.
I had to do crazy enough grand jury one time.
Grand? What was that like?
I had to drive to Santa
Man,
Barbara every day.
Jesus. Jesus.
Um,
Take the wheel.
and
Santa
go to the Superior Court or something. But it was crazy because we saw the evidence for 2 different cases. One was this dude that like killed his whole family with the knife
Holy.
in Santa Barbara. Like his mom, dad, 2 kids, and a dog.
Oh,
something
yeah.
like
Oh
that.
my lord.
And then the other case was a gang-related extortion case. Like MS-13 members were extorting businesses for
Lord.
protection along State Street and stuff. And if they didn't pay up, then they were targets. So it was an interesting couple cases I got to hear.
Yeah.
But that was the only time I've ever served.
Really?
On a jury.
Well,
But
man,
that was
like,
enough.
We put this guy through this, and he didn't know how to do it again. It's my
Well,
turn, right?
Yep.
Oh,
Yep.
Well, that's terrible. That's just terrible because there's not much going on here.
What should my parents have named me? You ever have a name you wish you were
Well, I guess it's the one I use now in here. But, oh, what should my parents... Oh, I was thinking for you.
Oh no, I think we answered the questions.
Right. What should my parents have named me?
Right.
Kate and Anthony. I don't know. I was almost named Andrew, which I'm glad. I'm glad it wasn't. They should have named me Zeus.
Zeus.
I don't know. Thor, or something cool.
I think, in all honesty, I think anything other than my dad's name would have been cool.
Same frickin' here. Junior.
You're right.
Junior? Are you junior?
I'm a junior.
I'm a junior.
Yes.
Did we just become best friends?
Right.
Yep.
That's it. Bugged me my whole life.
Same here. If I could kick my dad, I mean, I guess I could, but before I was born, if I could have, I don't know.
Anywho,
Somebody.
somebody stop me.
Wow.
That was a good one.
That should have been on Let's Get Deep or something. I'm out of breath now. That one lit a fire. I'm about to drink that hot sauce right now, just to cool down.
I'm trying to.
You got the blood pumping on that
Woo.
one, Joey.
What do we got?
What do I want more than anyone else in the room? To win at Jenga. That's what I want. How about you? Probably the same, I would imagine. Or maybe to own more Bitcoin then.
1.5 million subscribers.
Well, I would want that too. Are you kidding?
Just
like,
to do this for
yeah. Even like 100,
like
even
this,
10,
like
even
recording and producing our own show, like
yeah,
would be
imagine if
amazing.
we could just do this, daily, or if it could really be a Today Show after party.
Yeah, that'd be amazing.
Man, please share the show.
Yeah,
Please subscribe if you haven't.
leave us comments.
All
Suggestions,
those things.
you know?
So I don't have to like take notes, so I can
Yeah.
insert our own stuff, so we can have a production, somebody can edit it for us.
Right. Like, leave us comments. Let us know. Like, I wish they covered this.
I don't know if anyone's
No.
watching, dude. I think this might just
Is
be
anybody out there?
Nah. It might just be for us.
It is
It might just be for our kids to watch.
a documentary.
But we have so many episodes now. Who knows?
Yeah.
Who knows if anyone will ever see this?
I feel like it's watched us grow up.
Yeah, it has for the past
Yeah.
what,
Year and almost half.
almost half, yeah,
Oh,
at least.
it's crazy.
Who would have thought?
Yeah.
Not me.
Huh.
Put me in the hot seat.
Until then,
Put me in the hot seat, Junior.
listen here, Junior.
I'm Junior, so I can say that, okay?
My best friends describe me as respond by filling in the blank to complete the sentence. It really leaves that instruction.
It does. I had one earlier like that too.
It's like you're drunk by this point.
My best friends describe me as. Well,
I don't know. I've never asked my best friends to describe me before. So, I don't know. But I'll just say colorful.
Colorful.
I don't know.
I'll go silly.
There you go. Insert word
Yeah.
here in the blank.
Yeah. Been around too many kids.
Please don't tell me it's my turn at Jenga. I don't think.
Yeah, that's why I went. You're right. I think.
Alright. Alright. That's fine. Nothing to see here.
Nothing to see here, folks. It's really. I don't know.
You better put me back in the hot seat then.
I was thinking about it.
Think about what? What are you thinking about?
Eat some more hot sauce.
Oh well, I won't stop you from eating more hot sauce.
What is my favorite holiday tradition?
What is yours or what's mine?
My favorite holiday tradition.
Tradition?
I would have to say is Christmas Eve. Everyone that can gathers at my grandma's house, and my grandma's 96 now, and so like that's been like the case my whole life. Of Christmas Eve meeting at grandma's house.
Yeah.
So it's probably like the one like tradition that was like stayed.
Yeah. That was the tradition until last year for me. So, I would also say, at my wife's parents' house, we have the white elephant or Christmas, whatever it's changed, and you know we all get like 3 items from the dollar store.
Oh, okay.
Right? So there's all these random things you can pick from, right? Everyone goes in turns, and somebody makes like some crazy box or something, and you pull out a random gift, right?
Okay.
And it's usually like a piece of clothing or something random, or like I don't know, like a weird toy or something. But it's usually like some sort of article of clothing, and they open it, and everybody starts chanting, "Put it on, put it on." So there's all these dollar store like random pieces of clothing. So by the end of the night, everyone has like three, each. So everyone's wearing like a random outfit. So it's pretty cool, and it's a fun type of thing. Yeah.
Do you guys ever snap like a big picture?
Oh yeah.
After
everyone's
all movied out.
Yeah, we got some. It's on my Instagram.
That's awesome.
Somewhere. Yeah, it's fun.
That's cool.
I stole this hot seat question and I never said it.
Oh. Wow.
But what is my life motto?
Nothing. What's the motto with you?
I was gonna do that. You freaking beat me to it. Wow. All right.
Oh,
I think we really are best friends.
Kids from the same.
Man, I think we might have just really became best friends in this episode. We might have not seen each other for 22 days, but
hey, it was like yesterday.
It's like we're on the same page, same wavelength there. It's almost like we finish
each other's sentences.
Man,
oh,
wow.
Man.
Shoot.
Dang.
Weird.
We're so cool.
Weird. Oh man.
Yeah.
Right. Put me in the hot seat.
All right. When I look in the mirror, what do I see?
See a freak.
My face staring back at me.
See myself losing a Jenga. Nope. Oh yeah. Time to start moving the stuff.
Yeah.
That's when you know it's getting real.
It's getting close.
Don't worry, guys. Show's almost over. Please just hold on. Hold
Cheers.
on. Hold. Don't ever go back.
Wow. We have a 1.
Ooh, up top.
Dang. All
We
right.
have a 1 with like a heavy on this side, heavy on this side, right? Like,
Mhm.
yeah, I feel like you don't see that much.
Yikes. This is.
And that puts you in the hot seat at the same time?
I know. Too much pressure. Under pressure.
What is the perfect online handle for me? Well, it's Kate and Anthony, obviously. Just like it's Joey Earring or
I think my very first
what was
online
your first
handle.
screen? I think we talked about this once.
It was in Spite 82.
We did talk about this because mine was DX Wolfdog.
Oh.
What's up now? What's up now? How you like me now? Go on, kid.
Oh, dang.
What will I be doing 10 years from now? Hopefully,
Okay.
hopefully just living off of my Bitcoin or something crazy like that. Or hopefully this show has 100,000 million subscribers so we can just do this show all the time.
Right?
Not have to take 22 days off.
What will I be doing 10 years from now? Hopefully, by that time, my youngest will be 20.
God, my youngest will be 22. 10.
10.
10. Oh
I
my
was like,
god.
cool.
Really is the after party over here.
So hopefully, like RVing, visiting the grandkids.
Whoa. Yeah.
Like,
Weird.
cause I mean,
Weird.
I have daughters in
Weird.
they're like late teens.
Weird.
So 10 years from now,
That's weird.
it is weird.
It's pretty weird. It's pretty weird, Grandpa.
I know. Yikes. So hopefully, I'm at a spot where I can be like,
Do you have any friends that are grandpas?
2.
It's weird.
Yeah. Pretty nuts. It's pretty crazy because I have siblings that are grandparents.
Weird.
So,
But you're the youngest, so I guess it's not that weird. Okay. Alright.
that question threw me off because I didn't even try to go Jenga. I don't think.
Whoa. If I owned a traveling circus, what would it be called?
A traveling circus?
Traveling circus
Um,
would have to be called.
oh yeah.
Traveling circus.
I mean,
What are circuses called to begin with besides a circus?
like Ringling Brothers, Circus Chalet.
Who?
I don't think that's an actual circus though. But
Hey Google. What are some famous circuses? Circi? Of course, the volume's down.
that's the one I said, Circus Soleil.
Oh, jeez. Oh my
Oh,
god. I got
jeez.
distracted and I lost what piece I was taking out. Oh my gosh, this is a disaster.
That's a bummer.
This is
man.
This is a disaster.
Well,
Speaking of disaster.
Uh,
Oh, this is not gonna work out well.
I'll go with Baby J's.
Baby J.
Baby J's Traveling Circus. Doesn't get better than that.
Alright, then I'll have to go with Cutie K's Traveling Circus.
We've lost all control
Good call.
here, folks.
Good call on that one. Forgot about Cutie K's Traveling Circus.
What is my go-to snack?
I thought I had it.
Took me by surprise.
Sorry about that one.
Wow.
Whew. What a rush.
Yeah.
What was the last question?
What is my go-to snack?
Okay. Go-to snack?
Oh, Traveling Circus.
Oh. What is my go-to? What is my go-to snack? My go-to snack is probably some bitchin' sauce. Or, chips. Chips and salsa or dips. Chips and dip. Or
Yeah.
just the chips. Just the chips. No.
Do you have a favorite chip flavor? Or type?
I just go with like the blue corn tortilla chips usually.
No?
But man, those Maui barbecue chips. What are they called? I can't remember. Those island barbecue Maui chips. Those are really good. Or like jalapeno chips. Those are probably my go-to.
Like those kettle chips.
Jalapeno kettle chips. That's what's up. Or like black pepper.
Have you had the habanero kettle chips?
Possibly. Habanero. Yeah,
Yeah.
possibly. I've had like the peppercini ones. Have you
Mhm.
had those? Yeah.
Those are pretty good. My go-to snack, I would have to say is the Costco trail mix.
With the white yogurt chips or
No,
which trail mix?
it's just their trail mix with like the M&Ms and peanuts and cashews and almonds and raisins.
I'm not. Oh, okay. I know what you're talking about. The Kirkland.
Kirkland
Yeah,
one,
yeah,
they
that's
sell it in like the
okay.
big bag or the individual
I'm not
bags.
I'm sure I've had it, but we don't get that regularly. But
Because if it wasn't that, it would be ice cream. And ice cream doesn't.
the go-to snack. Okay. I mean.
Yeah, ice cream doesn't work itself off the old body like it used to.
Not these days, man.
So I go with the trail mix.
Hey.
But in that case,
Yeah. If ice cream doesn't go with you these days like trail mix does. I don't know where I was going with that. But I can't remember how we.
I don't
How
know.
we
I
end
just
the
know it's
show.
CDE.
It's a C, because
I like you. A D.
This
Lost all control.
J K
F.
Way is the show that this has been. So thank you and
Good night.
see you on the Today Show maybe next week. I don't know. Who knows?